there you go. At magre-register po tayo ngayon sa International Game College. And these are the major sponsor ng IGF. Of course, Thunderbird nandyan. GMP, Slasher, Wingmaster, Salto, B&J, of course, Team Skulin, yan. Yan ang mga sponsor dito. Alright, so magre-register po tayo. So ang game follow ngayon is a combination na ng mga hindi lang for the gentleman but for the ladies alike. So ayan. So later on magre-register muna tayo. Alright?